I often get asked, how do I get these really cool patterns in my epoxy pours? People have asked me, and they said when they've tried, they've just ended up with a new color rather than two colors kind of crossed over into each other. It's actually not a question of how much to use, but of when to use it. You don't want to mix your colors too soon when they're too liquid because you're just going to end up with a new color. Like if you were to mix black and white together, you're just going to end up with gray. So your best bet is to try and mix them together. I like to wait until it's about 75% cured. That way, you won't mix the two colors, you'll just cross them over. Also, you can't wait till too long because if you pour the epoxy on top of something that's too much cured, then you won't be able to mix it like this. And this is the key right here. So as you can see, it's cured enough that it won't actually mix the colors together, but not so cured that you can't mix them and get this nice crossover pattern as well. And in the end, you're going to get a really nice pattern that's pretty unique to everything you do with epoxy.